Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into the top flagship smartphones of 2024. We've got some heavy hitters this year, so let's get right into it. First up, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple's latest and greatest is packing the new A18 Bionic chip, offering incredible performance. The camera system is top-notch, with improved low-light capabilities and better zoom. But no USB-C yet. So if you're in the Apple ecosystem, it's a solid choice, but that missing USB-C might be a deal breaker for some. Next, we've got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This beast comes with a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display, a 200MP main camera, and finally, faster charging speeds. The S Pen is still a win for productivity lovers. However, it's a bit bulky, and the battery life could be better. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Google's AI integration is on another level, making the user experience seamless and smart. The camera, it's phenomenal for point-and-shoot photography. But it's not the best for video recording, and the design feels a bit dated. The OnePlus 12 Pro is next. This one is for the speed demons out there. With its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 144Hz display, it's buttery smooth. Plus, it's got super fast charging. Downsides? The camera still doesn't match up to Apple or Samsung, and the software can be a bit finicky. Finally, we have the Xiaomi Mi 14 Ultra. Affordable with high-end specs. A massive 5000 mAh battery, 120W fast charging, and a solid camera system. However, MIUI isn't everyone's cup of tea, and it can have some bloatware. So, what's the verdict? For the average user, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra are the top picks. If you're a tech enthusiast, the OnePlus 12 Pro and Xiaomi Mi 14 Ultra offer incredible value and performance. That's it for today's comparison. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.